sense, I try to fight it. I admit I like being in control. Hate feeling uncomfortable.